Hi, I'm Nick, and today we're going to show you how to resolve iOS WCAG keyboard violations. WCAG 2.1.1, titled Keyboard, states that all functionality of a user's content is operable via a keyboard interface. The intent of the success criterion is to ensure that all users who operate your content through a keyboard or keyboard emulating device are able to access all of your content's functionality. Many different input devices rely on keyboard emulation, such as speech input devices, leaf switches, sip and puff switches, and jelly bean switches. Not only must all content be accessible via keyboard, but this content should also not require specific timings for keystrokes. There is one exception to this success criteria, and that is the case when the underlying functionality of your application relies on an input that depends on the path of the user's movement. This is the case where we have things like watercolor painting programs, where you cannot emulate a water brush stroke and duration and pressure using a keyboard, or other applications like flight simulators, where you cannot emulate the specific joystick motions of a flight simulator with a keyboard without vastly changing the intent of the application. For more details on the specifics of WCAG keyboard violations, check out this link here. Link also in the description down below. Let's go ahead and fix a keyboard violation with the help of the Mesmer accessibility audit. But first, can you believe that it's not possible to subscribe to Mesmer when using only the keyboard input? We can navigate to this YouTube channel's playlist, but we can't subscribe. YouTube, get on this! Here we have a keyboard violation brought to us by the Mesmer accessibility audit. We can click on screens to find the screens containing this violation. Now that we know where the violation is located, let's put it up on our local device and use our wireless keyboard to navigate this violation so we can demonstrate how it affects end users. Here we have a screen that allows the user to generate a random number. But when I try and navigate this screen using only my keyboard interface, I notice that this functionality is not available to me. My keyboard can never enter in the listener where the gesture control is, even though as an iOS user I have access to keyboard gestures. My area or my focus can never go within the gesture listener, thus restricting me from having access to this functionality and causing a WCAG keyboard violation. Let's check out a quick and easy solution to this type of violation. All we need to do is add a button. Buttons are super accessible via keyboard interface, and now using only my keyboard input device, I can generate a random number, thus resolving this violation. And just like that, we fix our WCAG iOS keyboard violation. Have you ever tested your application with a keyboard or with a sip and puff switch or a leaf switch? Let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching and happy developing.